My name is Stella Digiovanni, and I'm a salon owner based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am an educator for covetandmane. I taught passion, purpose, and profit. I help students align themselves with their purpose and passion and make sure that their business is aligned and profiting. What I love about the experience is that you get insider information on what's working for a plethora of stylists, and so that way you can empower the industry and yourself and make sure that you are growing your businesses in a way that helps other stylists as well. My biggest takeaway from the experience is that it truly is a collaborative event. If you're on the fence about coming to the experience, I'm going to let you know that click that button, come to it, because you're going to be able to profit inside your business and have everything you've ever dreamed of from this career. If you want to know more about the experience in New York City, or even me as an educator, go ahead and check out covetandmane.com and check out all the details that the experience has to offer to you.